to my YouTube channel. My name is Naina, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys another makeup look that I've created for you all, and it's right there in front of you. So this is the makeup look that I've created, and I'm super happy with how this look has turned out to be. Bold, it's fierce, it has got all the tigress vibes to it, and I just totally love how this look looks on me. The look is perfect for winters, and it has got all the winter vibes to it. Like, it's kind of a warm, very nice, and it's perfect for Indian skin tones. I just totally love this look. I wasn't sure about it while I was filming it, but I'm super proud of myself for doing it. This is totally me. Like, I'm gonna wear this look more often now. First time that I've played with a lot of colors. I'm going to be mentioning all the links of all the products in the description box below, so do check that out. And without talking much, let's quickly get started with the video.
So I'm going to start off by prepping my skin, and for that I'm using Oils of Life Face Serum that I bought from Body Shop. It was also in my Body Shop haul, so if you haven't watched that yet, go ahead and watch right after this video. I'm going to link it somewhere here. I'm just going to use its pump to take out some amount and put it on my face and then rub it nicely. Once that is done, then I'm going to go ahead and use my Face Shop Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. This is very lightweight, it's very hydrating. I've been using it from past 3 months now, and it's really good. Then I'm going to go ahead and use Mamaearth Ultra Light Sunscreen. This is the best sunscreen I've ever used. It's so good. It's not greasy, it's not oily, it keeps your face very matte, and I really love the finish of it. So with this we are done with prepping our skin, and now I'm gonna start my makeup. I'm gonna use Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. I'm in the shade 128 Warm-Nude. I'm just gonna take some amount at the back of my hand and dot it all over my face, and using a beauty blender that I bought from Mini, so I'm just gonna blend it all in. I am obsessed with this foundation. It's such a good drugstore product I have ever used. Now going ahead, I'm gonna use my Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. I love this product so much. Maybelline does a really good job in making good drugstore products. I'm gonna take out some amount and just put it under my eyes where I've got dark circles and any blemish marks or any acne marks that I've got. To mattify the entire base, I'm going to use my MAC Compact Powder. I'm in the shade NC41. I'm going to use my Real Techniques powder brush to mattify my entire base. Now once that is done, then I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX Brow Mascara and just brush my brows with it. I really love this product. This is so good. It's so convenient to use. You just have to brush your brows and voila, you are done. You are sorted for the day. So we are done with our brows, and now it's time for us to do our eyes, and for this I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I am totally in love with this palette. I haven't owned anything in this color scheme ever. I really love all the pinkish warm nude shades in it. To start off, I'm going to take my big blending brush and just take this lighter shade and put it all over my upper eyelids. Now once that is done, then I'm going to take my small blending brush and take this darker orange shade and put it right at the outer corner of my eyes, and it in between my crease line and my upper eyelids. Once that is done, then I'm going to go ahead and take this pink shade onto my flat brush and just put it right at the center of my eyes and also at the inner corner. I've done the other eye off camera, and now I'm going to go ahead and take this flat brush again and take this pink shade and just put it right onto my lower lash line. Then using a L'Oreal Kajal, I'm going to tightline my lower lash line, and then using a flat brush again, I'm going to smudge it all to have a very smudged look. Now once my eyeshadow is done and it looks really nice and blended, I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and just do my eyelashes. So with this we are done with our eyes, and now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, and for this I'm going to use my Maybelline Me Face Duo Stick. It's a very warm brown shade which I really love, and it goes perfectly with my skin tone. So yeah, using the stick I'm going to contour my face and also my nose, and then taking my contour brush, I'm just going to blend it all in very properly. And to avoid any harsh lines, I'm again going to go ahead and use my blender to blend it in. Now it's time for us to do our favorite part of the makeup, that is blush, and you guys know that how much I love doing blush. So yeah, here I'm using Colorbar blush in the shade Fallen Leaves. I'm going to take a lot of amount, maybe not a lot of amount, but yeah. Using my blush brush, I'm just gonna blush my cheeks, and now it's time for us to do our lips. But for that, first we need to contour our lips, and for that I'm using my NYX Natural Lip Liner and just lining my lips. Once I'm done lining my lips, then I'm gonna go ahead and use this Nykaa lipstick. It's kind of a Demi matte lipstick and I really love this shade. It's not brown, it's not nude. I don't know what color it is, but it's so lovely and it looks lovely on me. This one is Nykaa in the shade Basic that I really love. With this, we are done with our makeup, or maybe not. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, we forgot highlighter. So here I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution highlighter, and using a highlighter brush, I'm just gonna highlight all my beauty points like my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, my chin, my cupid bows, and my eyebrow bone. And voila, we are done with our makeup.
That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I loved filming this look. I was so skeptical while I was doing it, but I really love how this look has turned out to be. And if you enjoyed too, you know the drill. Please like this video, share it with your friends, your family, everyone around this world. And if you happen to recreate this look, do not forget to share it with me and tag me. My Instagram handle is right there in the description box. You can go and follow me there as well. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification button so every time I post a video you get notified. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.